Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Calendly for appointments. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say you're on the fence of using Calendly. How do you actually go ahead and use it for appointments? Well, it's really simple, guys. Make sure to stick around. This video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, but here we are logged into Calendly. And the first thing that you need to understand is that you have these things called events. So if I click on new event type, you're going to see that it's going to be able to allow event types related to one-on-one meetings, or maybe it's a group meeting. Maybe it's a collective meeting, which means that more than one host and one invitee, or maybe it's a round robin meeting, meaning that the host rotates between one invitee. So we're just going to use one of these one-on-one meetings that I've created here. But as far as using it for appointments go, if you open up this event, you can edit the event details, meaning that you can name your appointment, you can set the duration, you can set the location, you could even give it short descriptions and instructions, maybe write a summary of any details that your invitee should know about the event. In addition to that, you could also change the schedule settings. So this is a really important one where invitees can schedule 7 calendar days into the future. Maybe you want to change this to 14. Maybe you want to make it within a date range, or maybe you want to make it indefinitely into the future, meaning that they can schedule months from now if they wanted to. In addition to that, you can actually set the times that the host can be scheduled for these types of events. So this is my demo account, and if I click on my demo account, you'll see that my available hours are these times and they're unavailable on these dates. If I go ahead and go back, you could also add buffer times after your appointments, meaning that let's say that you want a 15-minute break after every appointment that gets scheduled. So you can click on buffer time and then click on after the event. You could also set a minimum notice, which means that it allows a minimum notice of that is required, meaning that invitees can't schedule within 4 hours of the starting event time. So usually I'll set this to 24 hours. Additional options, you can use the invitee's time zone schedule display, and you can also set the frequency of available time slots for invitees. So here you can see that I have it set to every 30 minutes, which means that individuals can schedule events with me every 30 minutes. So that right there, guys, is how to set up appointments for Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.